Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Robin's World. I almost forgot to change it to a fairy. Bibbidi bobbidi boo, change me into a fairy. Phew, that's much better. Now, look at my awesome social level.
Mill's here.
Guys, I just got a package. Let's go see my package. There's my package. It's an egg with a horn. Let's bring him inside. I wonder if these eggs got lost or if the mailman found them in the woods. Before we open these eggs, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, and like, and let's open these. We should open the Puppycorn's surprise egg first. We're gonna do this Rainbocorn Fairycorn surprise egg. So let's do this one. Okay. It's hatching! This might take a while. It's hatching! Oh my god. Ooh. Guys, it's not hatching anymore. We should hug it. Oh, that's a Dalmatian. Look, it laid its first egg. What's this surprise? Ooh. Let's see. Oh goody, oh goody. It's a bone. So we got this little doggy, and these are stickers. And let's check out the checklist, the list. Ooh. So guys, we got him. His name is her name is Nala. Daddy, say hi to Nala. Hi. And this egg is shaking. I wonder what's inside. Oh, I got a golden puppy. And I think this is an ornament. Oh. Hi. Oh. Let's put her back inside her egg. The string doesn't want to go in. Now she has a bone with magic color mixed poop. Let's open it. Well, let's open the first one. This one has white poop. Just one white poop. Ew. Okay, so we got this white poop. Now she's gonna eat it. Let's open the next one. way. Okay. So this one is hard to open instead of the other one. So I'm just gonna rip it. This one is yellow. Like actual poop. So let's mix them and see what kind of color they make. Might take a really long time. Roll, 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 roll. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, mixy, mix, mix. Yeah. I told you this might take a while. And done. Now we're gonna open this next egg. Guys, when I scratched this heart, it changed to a lighter pink. Maybe it might be her favorite thing. Her favorite thing is coconuts. Might take a while. I want to do this whole thing, but the bed is so messy now. Gonna have to throw this in the pretend trash. That's the last piece. So her favorite thing is coconuts. Just gonna smell it now. It smells like watermelon. Guys, smell it. Now we're going to open the next one after when we clean up the poop hands. After I clean up my poop hands. So I'm not going to do that right now. Come on, it's hatching. Not anymore. Now it's hatching. It's hatching. It's definitely hatching. And now it's stopped. Guys, look what this message says. It says, I love music. Now let's open this egg. Oh God, it's going to take a really long time for it to hatch. Hug it more. Hurry. Oh my God, it has tape on it. Guys, so sorry. This egg had tape on it. Now, let's hug it. Eee. That's a big crack. There's a big crack, little eggy. Hug more. Oh my gosh. Oh man. You need to get that shell off your head. Look! She must be a rare little guy. She even has an egg too. But the egg has tape on it. What kind of mailman is she? Whatever. Oh, got the first one. Look at the plushie, guys. Look how adorable she is. She has golden wings. She has yellow eyes. I think this is a limited edition. Now we just have to read the instructions. Okay. Wait, that's wrong side. Okay, we already did that part. Wait, we have to take off the heart. You have to take off this. You have to take off the tape. Okay, we got tapey off. I don't know if it's tape or not. Let's check out what her name is. Okay. Her name is DJ. And she loves music. Well, my mind's going crazy. Well, what is it telling me to do? I think it's telling me that we need to open these. Now, what's this? Let's see. Ooh, a little string. What's the string for? Let's get it, but we're gonna do that later. We are going to open this. This is even better than the silly string. Wrong way, sorry. Let's white clay again. Okay, let's see what the other one is. I'm gonna leave it on my wand. Hold on. It just got stuck to the putty. Okay. Let's see. Guys, I just realized you can put on these wings. I'm gonna try them on. Biggie, bibbity, bubbity. Ew. Unicorn poo is on my lawn. Let me take it off. Ew, gross. Better. Bibbity, bubbity, boom. Whoa, look at my wings, guys. I like these, but I like my other wings much better. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Click the subscribe button on my wand and click the notification bell and click like. Bye. Bye.